We have looked at Viveka, Vairagya, and what are the 6 wealths or accomplishments. The 4th qualification is Mumukshutva. Mumukshutvam kim moksho me bhuyad iti ichha. Moksho me bhuyad iti ichha. So what is Mumukshutvam? Let me attain moksha. That intense longing and yearning is called Mumukshutvam. So whenever we talk about Mumukshutvam, that word itself holds a certain intensity to it. So it is not superficially thinking that, okay, let me attain moksha one day. It is not that particular superficial desire. But let me attain moksha, that intense desire and longing is called Mumukshutvam. And without that desire, why would anyone even take up the study of a text like Tattva Bodha? Right? People who are seeking entertainment, people who are just seeking to fulfill their material desire, they have so many other means and so many other books to read. Probably they could read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or How to Make Money in 21 Days, or something like that. I'm just cooking this book up. But a person who is longing to attain moksha, he is the one who would seek a book, or he is the one who would seek a text like Tattva Bodha or Atma Bodha or any of the Vedantic works, because there is an intense desire towards that. So the Purushartha, if you look at Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. So one can operate from any of these dimensions. One can take up something for just pleasure, Kama, because it gives you a certain happiness. One could say take up something because it adds meaning to your life, or it gives you material prosperity and Artha. Or one could take it up because one feels that it is one's duty towards oneself, the society, the Kula, and the larger, the universe. So that is Dharma. But going beyond these and looking at a fundamental liberation, a fundamental transcendence from this cycle of birth and death and samsara, that is moksha. And having an intense desire for that is Mumukshutvam. The Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Shri Krishna beautifully says, it is in chapter 8. Abrahma bhuvana lokaha punaravartinorjuna mamupetya tu kaunteya punarjanmana vidyate. So Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, up to the loka of Brahma, all these lokas are subject to birth and death, subject to rebirth, Arjuna. But when one attains my abode or my loka, then there is no further rebirth. So when we say loka, it is actually not taking a vehicle and then going to Krishna's loka, but completely in resonance with that principle of Krishna, completely in resonance with Bhagavan Shri Krishna. When one is in that particular state, then one has no rebirth. That is what the Bhagavad Gita says. And once we know that, okay, there is a state that one can attain when there is no rebirth, then there is a sense of longing that is created in us to attain that particular state. Go beyond all these states of dualities and attaining that where there is no need to come back. Suppose, say for example, you studied first standard, second standard, third standard, like that you studied up to 12th grade. Just for a sake of reconnecting and nostalgia, you feel like going back to your school for your alumni meet. But do you really want to go back to study that first standard and second standard again? No, that thought doesn't even cross your mind. Because you're done and dusted. You've done away with it. You've completed it. There is no sense of fulfillment or unfulfillment about it. You've just transcended that particular thing. So similarly, once when we feel a certain fulfillment here, why would we feel a necessity to come back? Unless and until something is lingering here, or there is a purpose there, or we feel that we haven't done enough, or whatever it is. So that aspiration is set to go beyond this rebirth and seeking liberation. That is mumukshutam. That intense desire arises within oneself. Moksho me bhuyat. Etat sadhana chatushtayam. Tatas tattva vivekadhikarino bhavanti. So these are the fourfold qualifications, and thereafter, that is, having acquired these qualifications, they become the adhikaris, or they become fit people to inquire into the tattva, into the principles, or into the